What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and welcome to the outlet shops of the Bluegrass, Kentucky. And we are on the Nike outlet, so hoping we could find something to sneaker invest on this Nike outlet store. On the not much people around right now, and as you can see, like that. Okay, that's 20% around here. Oh wow, additional 20%, as you can see right there. So based on the membership is have entire 20%, and then on top of that another 20% discount, so it's like 40% ish maybe. But hey, check this out, 39.91 on the 99 on the Odyssey React. So this one is 69.99, same on the other store. It's almost just the same price on this one, 79.99. Whoop, on the other store. So same price also, 79.99, additional 40%. And how about the up tempo, 69.99 with the additional 20 and additional 20. I like the color, but I'm gonna pass on this one. Already seen the comms, it's not moving, so it's not good one for resale. So how about the Zoom Freak one, anyone? It's 89.99 with additional 20, so the colorway is not bad if you are into some kind of basketball shoes, something like this, but for the resale, no way. Alright, check this out, 59.99 on this Element React 55 Premium. The colorway not bad for young adult or kids, but might pass for some older ones, but I'm gonna pick this one for young kids. Alright, this one, 59.99 as well, of this Element 55. Kinda platinum-ish with green thing colorway. Maybe not for now. Alright, wow, we got leftover of this LeBron, 79.99 with the additional 20. So it's like a reseller already came in and pick up all the things they want and left this over, so I'll pick them up also. All right, 79 and this Jordan. What do you think on this one? Hop, pass, but 109.99 still high. This one like been sitting here forever. Weeks ago it was 20%, and then weeks ago additional 30, but now this one also 99 and another 99 with this patent leather, and 99 and this Mars. All right, check out 20% of the hash wall or the clearance wall. Pass on this Air Force Max, no way. Well, how about this one, 55 Element SE, 49.97 with the additional 20 and 20. Well, it's a good one for a personal pair, but for resale will pass. As you can see, 20%. So let's check out the women's section, 99.99 on Air Max 98. So might gonna cap some of the smaller sizes and leave behind some of the other sizes. Still here, the Jordan ones, 49.97 with additional 20 and additional 20. No one's buying them, even though this cheap. No one's buying them. How about React Element 55? This colorway of 59.97, not bad for the price and the color. So I'm not gonna pick up, but I'm gonna choose some sizes that really reselling well. How about this Air Force One? Shogun SC. The colorway is not bad with the black and some kind of greenish with orange accent. Not bad for the price though. Alright, welcome. So this one what we bought on the Nike outlet, and since there's some kind of limit or something going on in there, we have to do a separate transaction. So, and also some new method that I've been doing: do not buy everything. If there's a lot of competition, just pick up the size that I think which are more profitable. So first up, we got the Air Max 97 right here. We only got the size 7. There we go. So I didn't buy that much because a lot of competition on this particular shoes, and we bought this one for 99, additional 20, additional 20. So this one's gonna be a quick flip. At least I'm be making more than like 30% return. I'm happy with that, and especially I didn't buy that much a pair. Especially went to size 7 only. I didn't go through the other sizes because a lot of competition out there, but main thing, getting them for very cheap price. Next one, another one what we bought, which is women Nike React Element 55. As you can see, size 7.5. New method I've been doing: do not buy them all if you got a lot of competition. So as you can see, platinum tint silver, 59.97, additional 20, and then additional 20. Okay, so another gonna do a quick flip on this one because based on the comps and competition, reseller have a lot of pair, but the 7.5 have less reseller, and the price is more higher than the other pair, which is the other sizes. Okay, what's next? So we got this Nike React Element 55 Premium. All right. Like the color on this one. So this is the men's size, black Poland rice mineral tea. The retail is 140. We bought them for 59.97, additional 20, additional 20. So that's somewhere around $41 or something like that. But price comps that I saw is like somewhere around $80 to $90, and especially the color is not bad also. But here's the trick: I didn't buy the bigger sizes. So this one is 8.5, and another 8.5, and size 7. So as you can see, it's right there, another size 8.5. So this is the new another method that you could apply this one. We have a pair of new Nike React, which is a new shoes that's going on right now. So the market, if you're wanna go resell on this one, focus on those new generation who is willing to use them, like young guys, so something like that. So young guys have a smaller feet, so focus on smaller sizes that they fit. So I focus at 8.5 and size 7. That is what I did. There's other sizes which is a bigger sizes. No, because if you're focusing on bigger sizes, you can apply that only for Jordan Retro, something like that. But if you are considering the new pair of style of shoes, then consider the age that you are trying to market. Okay, the age of the buyer, what kind of sneaker they are new style. So makes sense if you focus those pair of shoes that are you need to consider the one who's gonna use them for kids, for young adults, not for old adult like me, because this is not for old adult color. Okay, all right, I hope you understand that one. Please let me know in the comment below if It doesn't make sense. Okay, all right. So this is the last pair on the store. Lucky, I still got one, but the limit is 5 pair per transaction per person, but 2 4 6 8. So what I did, because I have a family member with me, I have to split like 3 transactions on this one so I could get them all. So months ago or weeks ago, I already bought this one for 30% off, but now this one's much more better. But last, that was like the sizes I'm focusing was 11 and a half, but this one, it is the only last pair on the store, so I'll take them all. So I've got the size 11, size 10, 10, 10, 10, and 11. So we got here the Lebron, Super Braun, and as you can see, I got more in there, right there. That's the one that I got, the 10 and a half or 11 and a half. So that what's the one that I focused, because when the time I did that, bought that one, there's still a lot of sizes like the size 10. So the good thing is that this is the last pair they had in the store. Okay, now same thing going on with buying shoes that are meant for the one who use them. This one is basketball shoes, this one is for kids, this one's basketball shoes. So focus on the sizes. Bigfoot for basketball player who's gonna wear a size 7 pair of basketball shoes. Those are the young kids, but think about this one. Young kids don't do much use the pair of shoes that they could use them for if they are some type of position. So let's say point guard. Not all point guard use a pair of shoes that worn by LeBron, because LeBron use considering the position of LeBron. So he's not a point guard. So if you're considering basketball shoes, then focus on the one who's player who are using it. Like Kyrie, he's the ball handler, point guard. So you could resell a pair of shoes that a point guard use them. Like the young kids, they were smaller foot, so they are like, they could play as a point guard. Make sense? Okay. So, but investment $79.99, additional 20, and then additional 20. Last time I did is 55, but then after the 20% and additional 20%, it came down like $51. So a little bit, $4 difference from the one that I bought. It's still good one. So I'm happy that I got all the last pair on this one. Some of them a little bit not moving for now, but I believe LeBron had a good legacy that he's doing right now. So I believe that good investment on this one. I'm gonna do more than like 100% return of investment. Even though I'm gonna sit this one for years, I'm gonna do that. And especially $55 of investment, then I could at least doubling my money, more than double my money. All right, so what do you think of this pickup from the Nike factory store? So we got the Air Max 97, more Element 55, and another Element 55, quick flip, long quick flip, and then long hold on the LeBron, Super Braun. So what do you think? Would you like to invest on this one if you got them, or for personal pair? All right, and that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new again. And with that being said, thank you for watching. If you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? Also comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.